Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whenever it is you're watching this. Our week 4 video for chemistry. We're going to start off with the discussion post. There will be a question about this video that I go over, so pay attention. I'll go over that in just a minute. We're going to continue our work with balancing equations. Here's another great video to help you get the idea of balancing equations, which is the conservation of mass. That's why we balance equations. There's another video here. It's a little bit longer. There's a note taker. Take some notes and submit them to me. Guys, the more of the equations you get to do and the more you're actually watching the videos, the more this will become less of a mystery. Okay, so I think that sentence made sense. There's a short assignment here, 6 equations you need to balance. The first one is explained, okay, how to do it. So I'm hoping that you're starting to get it and you'll get these 6 equations properly. Then we get into reactants and products, and those are what is on each side of the balancing of a chemical equation. What causes the reaction and what is the product of that reaction? Sort of like cooking. You'll see in the videos, cooking is often used to explain conservation of mass through balancing equations. You start with some flour, eggs, baking soda, a little bit of salt, maybe some chocolate chips, a little butter on one side of the equation, and then on the other side of the equation is the chocolate chip cookies that come out. So the mass is being conserved, it's just changing. So that's what it's about. And I think as we continue to work our way through this, it'll become clear. Stoichiometry is a brief explanation of the reactions and the products. It's basically balancing chemical equations further explained. And then this last video is on reactants and products, getting to know which are reactants and which are products and being able to identify that. Go through the assignments. Message me with any problems. Looking forward to a great week.